Subscribe. Cook it for 10 minutes on medium flame. Mix it well. Now strain it. Add boiled batt. Add 5 glass water. Add 1/5 teaspoon salt. Add 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Cook it for 1 hour on medium flame. Mix it well. Add for medium-sized onion. Mix it well. Add 1 cup oil. Mix it well. Cook it for 30 minutes on medium flame. Add 8 garlic cloves. Add 4 tablespoons red chili flakes. Cook it for 20 minutes on medium flame. Mix it well. Add 4 tablespoons yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons methi. Mix it well. Cook it for 10 minutes on medium flame. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon flour. Add 1 glass water. Mix it well. Cook it for 10 minutes on medium flame. Ready. Let's dish out. Subscribe. Hope you like it.